So, just got home from work and got my UPR box, and I'm going to do an installation of the UPR Catch Can on my 2017 Dodge Charger. Still haven't gotten it tinted yet. Still haven't debadged it. A couple other things that are going to be done soon. Also, I'm doing this stuff on the fly. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I don't pretend to be. I would sure love to have that as a job, but I'm doing this on the fly at real, so you can kind of relate to it. I don't got fancy graphics. I don't have a fancy intro. None of that stuff. So guys, welcoming me to the Dodge family. I've been a Dodge guy for a long time, but what we're doing is we're going to install this catch can. Now, I have had a catch can on every one of my vehicles. That's important. In fact, I think I got one on my Camaro. I sure do. We're going to be going over why the UPR Catch Can is so good. First and foremost is UPR is a phenomenal company. They've been helping me for a long time. Oh, full disclosure, UPR did send me this, but I'm going to talk about how great they are anyway, even if they didn't send it to me. UPR is a great company. The owner's a great guy, and Sharad and the other guys, and I think they actually have a girl there now too, working at UPR are phenomenal. As you can see, the quality of this catch can, and sorry, I've had my fingers all over it. The quality of this catch can is second to none. Everything is really well machined. Everything has an O-ring. Everything is also well engineered. You're going to get the catch can. You're going to get a little Allen wrench to install it. You're going to need. You're going to get your hose ends for when, so it looks nice at the end of that. I'll show you that in a second. All of this is anodized. They're Continental hoses. Comes with a check valve, which is huge. Again, all of my cars have catch cans. Why is a catch can important? Well, what happens is that as the engine's firing, it's drawing vacuum out of here, and it's bringing in. It's actually, I'm sorry, I fucked up. It's using this for vacuum. The throttle body is using this for vacuum. What's happening is it's bringing oil in with that too. So after a while, that oil travels down the intake into the intake manifold, down into the head, into the combustion chamber. And after a while, what happens is not only do you get carbon buildup from regular driving, gasoline, and gasoline byproduct, when oil's introduced into it, it actually starts to knock down your octane rating. These cars, although I'm not an expert on these like I am the LS and the Coyote, and I'm not an expert in either one of them, I just know them better. I guess expert's a bad word. These cars are bad with oil consumption, and for some reason the LS1s are like that too. And a catch can actually really does help a lot. And although I haven't had this long enough to say whether or not it improves the driving experience or gets you better gas mileage, I can say that on other cars, especially pushrod cars, it did a phenomenal job. Same thing with my Coyote. It did a great job on there too. Actually had a dual catch can system on that. So I'm going to show you how to install this thing real fast. Hopefully you find it informative. I'm not going to treat you like a baby and expect you to know how to do some of this stuff. So I might not go over every step, because if you can't figure out how to put in a catch can, maybe you shouldn't be working on cars. Little joke there. So anyway, I'm going to put some of this stuff together, go step by step, and show you what's what. And boom, there you go. There was nothing to show you how to install, so you didn't miss anything. This line goes in here. That line goes in there. You still need the little rubber grommets, or elbows, I guess not a grommet. And then the it's a 14 millimeter, which is kind of threw me off because most cars are 13, 11s, and 10s. So the screw goes into that tab. It self taps into that block, not self taps, but it's machined into that block, and then you use the Allen key to unloosen these and adjust as you need it. And solid as a rock. Then when you want to change, you want to release your oil out, you unscrew this, lift the can off. You have plenty of slack in order to do that. And then you're done. And then you put your little sticker on if you want to. And that's it. So, yeah. If you have any questions or I forgot to do something, let me know and I'll answer your questions as fast as I can. Yeah, quick and easy install. This sort of worries me. But I guess you're protected from that with the catch can. I mean, it's going right into the filter. Anyway, so yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and then you know, I'll keep doing videos as I keep putting more crap onto the car and spending more money. And then you know, hopefully the internet reacts. Anyway, have a great week, guys. I appreciate all the support, and see you on the next mod.